Today I'm sharing with you one of my favorite chicken thigh recipes. Deeply flavored, tender, and layered with caramelized onions. This is comfort food done right. We'll start with 2 large onions. Most of it goes to the chicken, because the magic is in the caramelization, and the rest will flavor the rice. I'm seasoning the chicken thighs with salt, black pepper, cinnamon, cardamom, and a good chicken spice blend. For the rice, we keep it fragrant and balanced. A blend of spices, turmeric for warmth, coriander for depth, and gentle seasoning. Now it's time to build the flavor. I add the spices directly onto the chicken thighs, making sure to rub them gently under the skin. This is where the real flavor stays. A few onion slices go in, just enough to infuse sweetness. And finally, a drizzle of pomegranate molasses. It adds depth, richness, and that beautiful balance of sweet and tangy. While the chicken is marinating and the oven is heating up, I start working on the onions. A little avocado oil in the pan. Once it's warm, in go the sliced onions. I stir them gently, letting them soften. Then I add a small splash of water and cover the pan. This helps them slowly break down, release their natural sweetness, and begin to caramelize beautifully. When the onions turn soft and golden, they go in first, forming the base of the dish. This layer is everything. It infuses the chicken from underneath and becomes a rich, flavorful sauce as it bakes. Then the marinated chicken goes on top, with all the spices, the onion slices, and that pomegranate molasses. Nothing gets wasted. All that flavor belongs in the tray. The oven is preheated to 375 degrees. In it goes. Now while the chicken bakes and the onions continue releasing their sweetness, let's start the rice. For the rice, I'm using the remaining onion, finely chopped, and 1 fresh tomato, diced. This rice is simple, but full of warmth from the spices. I dice 1 fresh tomato and add it to the onions. Let it cook down gently until it softens and releases its juices. Now the spices go in. Stir everything together and let it simmer for a few minutes, so the flavors can bloom. Add the water and bring it to a gentle boil. Once it's boiling, add the basmati rice. Give it 1 stir, reduce the heat, and let it cook slowly. After about 30 minutes, the rice is perfectly cooked and fluffy. After 45 minutes in the oven, the chicken is golden, tender, and deeply flavorful. Start with a generous layer of rice, place the chicken on top, and finish with some of that rich onion sauce. Simple ingredients, unforgettable flavor. I hope you enjoyed cooking this with me today. Let me know in the comments if you try it, and how you make chicken thighs in your kitchen. See you in the next recipe.